This is the last day of the QUARTZSITE 2023 RV tent show. Let's see what we can find. Morning everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Today is the last day of the RV show here. So QUARTZSITE 2023 RV show coming to an end. Ninette's excited to get back to Sundance. We're gonna do the hot tub tonight, right?
Yes.
She's gonna go play pickleball tonight.
Yes.
She's really excited, so.
Yes.
Anyway, today is the a one-off day. So as we wandered around the show, there's individual little things that we've seen here and there that didn't really, pertain to the subject that we were talking about. We're gonna kind of dig into a couple of those that were pretty interesting and just kind of show. Ninette's allergic to the sun, by the way.
Allergic, no.
Her eyeballs are.
I should be wearing glasses, I guess.
Yeah. So anyway, we're going to dig into that a little bit. So let's go see what we can find. All right. So this is something new here at the show, and that's these seat covers. It's $600 for a pair, but it is genuine sheepskin. They said that I thought they'd be kind of hot, but she says that they work with the weather, so they're cooler in the summer and warm in the winter. And if you look at this card, she will honor the show price here. They're like $6.85 on Amazon through her store. Otherwise, cheaper here. So if you tell her you've seen it at the show or you've seen it on this video, she'll give you that price if you're interested in seat covers. But they also have seatbelt covers too that you can buy. And a pair of them are $40 or one at a time for $20. All right, this is another little one-off here. We're looking at these awnings. One of the things I really like about my awning is I can bolt that sucker to the ground and the wind, it goes through wind pretty good. And these new awnings they have where they don't go to the ground, don't hold up in the wind very well. So this guy here actually has something that takes the awning down to the ground, and they bolt it to the ground so it can hang out here the whole time and you don't have to worry about the wind. So this little guy here permanently mounts on your awning, so you got to use a ladder to put that on there, but once it's screwed on there, that's it. It's threaded. This pole threads into it, but you put this little thing on there along with your clip there, and it's got a ratcheting thing built in, and you nail that to the ground and ratchet it up, and you are all done. Runs about $200 here at the show, about $230 online. If you look right here is their card, you can check them out. This is a Ford van you can buy.
Plenty of time left in the
It's
day.
all decked out already for you. Look at all that storage space under there. You can slide stuff and nice bed. Yeah. Yeah, this very nice design. All right, so that is brand new units. That's actually a company here, if you look at this brochure, that actually takes brand new Ford vans right from the factory and they build those out. And you can buy that whole setup. Here's their website. So it's gonna be like $125,000 for a new one. But it also depends on everything that you wanna put on it. So if that's something they're interested in, then you've got Ford to do that. That's perfect. There are other companies out there that probably can take your van and customize it also. Just, because I was asking them, I said, what if I have an 1980 Ford van? And they said, nope, we only do it with new ones. And the reason is we don't want someone coming back to us and saying, you messed up my van and now it's broke, so fix it. So they only do the brand new ones, and so that's just their model of a setup. But anybody can find people that will actually customize something for you if that's what you're doing or you want and you don't know how to do it yourself. So that's an option. So this is a nice little setup if you want to raise your bed up. You can have it flat. You can change the different positions and everything. According to the card right here, about $2,900 where it starts, but then it's got an automatic lifter to get under that and store things under your bed. These guys are actually located at the Arizona Marketplace in Yuma, Arizona. So if you don't want to get it here at the show, you can always pick it up in Yuma. Shadesmith.com. So these are shades you can actually put in your rig. So if you don't want to park somewhere and have your tires exposed all the time, you can always just replace them. Is that the idea?
So this could, it's an anti-theft device, or it could be a ski. Maybe you live somewhere where
there we go.
You need a ski.
Yeah.
It will allow you to change your brakes on there. So it could be the safest jack stand ever. If you're worried about your jack stand falling out, let's see.
I think that's a little bit overkill.
Oh, wait a second. And if you don't want your tires to dry rot, how about that?
That's right.
There, now you could put these
I'm
on
guessing
all
that's
four
what
corners.
I'm guessing that's what you intend here.
No, actually, my total intention is actually we build suspension for motorhomes.
Okay.
And if I had a big, ugly tire there, you couldn't see the really cool parts that we build. So it's just for a display purpose, but it has been the biggest conversation starter of the week. So
there you go.
Our company is Weld Tec Designs, and we build RV suspension. So because so many people have been like, hey, you need sway bars, and really the problem isn't that you need a sway bar, it's you need a spring. You need to increase your spring rate to properly hold up your coach, and then it will help, that helps solve one problem, and then we put a better shock on it. So then we're running a 2.0 gas pressured shock, and the benefit of that is first it's totally rebuildable, so you don't have to buy new shocks. And the second part of it being gas pressured, it controls it on the compression and extension better.
So that's pretty interesting. This is somebody that we'll probably want to start following his YouTube channel. So he's got a YouTube channel, and it's actually called Weld Tec Designs. This was Jeremy telling about how they're redesigning and the whole suspension on C's and A's and stuff like that. So check out his channel. That might be some great information. He says just instead of throwing money at different things, they start teaching you about it so you can learn more about what to look at and maybe what works for your rig. All right, so this is a shower that you can get. This actually is working on right here at 20 PSI. So most rigs, your water pump is putting out 40 to 50. So this is one of the things here that would save you, or can have a nice stream of water. However, it's doing about 2 to 3 gallons per minute, and that's not very good for boondocking. But if you have an instant hot heater, then it really requires at least that throughput to make it work. So, but this is Shower Me. Interesting enough, they don't have a card, they don't have anything. So you have to just Google Shower Me if you're interested, and check that out. So they really want to just sell you something here at the show. All right, so this is European Motorhome Tours. So if you want to actually go over to Europe, you can't take your motorhome with you, but you can book something with these guys. He's got a lot of tours. He's been doing presentations in the tent or in the media tent like we were, and they have some pretty nice things. So here's his card, and they are booked up through 24, but you can go onto their website here. You can put requests in. They do get cancellations, and they might be able to get you in sooner. Typically, the price is about $8,000 or so for a month. So you're touring around in a RV for a month with this guy. He's got everything set up ahead for you.
Yay!
Yay! We're done. We're done. Hey, we did find some pretty interesting things, though, and hey, they got candy at a lot of these places, so that's a plus. So anyway,
had to win some.
Yeah, there was one guy where they kept taking all the candy out of his dish, so he put the bean bags over the dish and said, the only way you get this is if you can do the cornhole throw. So anyway,
we got 2 today.
Yeah, she got 2 today. So I guess we played enough cornhole. We do pretty good. Well, and it's only like 10 feet away, so it's like
5.
it's pretty difficult to miss. But
well,
anyway,
no, you can miss.
So that's fun. We're done. Hopefully this stuff is value to you. Again, we'll have this on there so you guys can go back and look at the whole show. It does end today, but hey, these videos will be on here from now on, so you can always look. One of the things I like about the videos is we've included contact information too, so that worst case is you can at least get a hold of these different companies and and ask them questions if you already own the product, or if you are interested in it, you can ask them. We have talked to several of them today. We're trying to figure out a way to become affiliates with a lot of them and get some kind of a discount that will be able to be applied, that we can pass on to you guys. And so we are digging into that with quite a few of these. We'll see what we come up with as time goes on with that, and we're going to start doing some reviews. Our future videos are going to be, we're going to put together a review series. We want to review things that we've actually purchased and tell you why we purchased them, how well they're working, and just kind of give you an update on things that we own that we kind of felt like was important to have as a full-timer. But as it goes for now, we're done. So thanks for watching. Hope we'll see you down the road somewhere. And if not, it'll be on our next video. So thanks.
Bye.
So here's Tanzi sitting outside in the morning enjoying the sunrise. She really likes her cage. She's really missing her condo though.
Do you like that little hole? Is there something down there? Ooh, I don't know if I'd stick my fingers in it. Are you gonna climb the tree today? Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah. What you doing in the tree?